Hey guys, and welcome back. And as this may look like I'm doing an infomercial on Super Clean, it's actually because they reached out to me about the G-Wagon project and they know that I've got to clean it. And there is a ton of grease, grime, and just filth on there. So they reached out and wanted to send me some of the products that they have. Now, Super Clean has been on this channel many times and they have supported me over and over again, and I can't thank them enough, but their product really is that good. So they did send me a few products that are new to me. One is the floor absorbent, which I've never used before, and we'll be using that in a later video. But today we're gonna get to use one that is truly needed for the G-Wagon, and that's the wheel cleaner. I have never used their wheel cleaner before, and it's gonna be interesting to see how well it tackles all the dirt and grime. So today, we're gonna do just that. So we are going to tackle the wheels on the G-Wagon today because truthfully they desperately need it. But I do want to just quickly go over some of their other products, such as the original Super Clean right here, which is an amazing product. Now you can dilute this down if it's too strong. You can use this on pretty much anything that's greasy and it will cut through it. The foaming one is great. I use this a lot more for the interior or carpet. I use this all the time. In fact, I might do a shorts on how I use this on my carpet for pet stains, which is amazing. The aerosol just comes in so handy because you don't actually have to sit there and spray it all the time. Kind of my easy way out of doing things, but I love it. And of course, the floor absorbent we will be getting to in another video, and we're gonna test this out. I haven't used it yet, never opened it, so I'm very interested in to see how this does. But I did want to tell you, when Super Clean sent this to me, they also let me know that they want to give away some product to you, which is amazing. So all you have to do is share this video and leave me a comment, and I will make sure that you're in the running for a Super Clean package. They will send it directly to you, and it'll probably be a smorgasbord of Super Clean products just like you see here. All right, so the best thing that we can do now is get started on the G-Wagon wheels, which I'm not looking forward to seeing. It's South Carolina, it's 90 degrees and humidity is at 100%. I'm in the shop right now with a cool little breeze and I'm still sweating. But it's okay because it's time to get to work. Well, here she is in all her glory. And yes, she has the original Mercedes G-Wagon wheels back on her, and I truly love them. However, as you can tell in the sun here, that whole tire needs to be cleaned, but so does the wheel. You can see all the caked on dirt on there, and we're gonna use Super Clean to get rid of all of that. On the back side, we have the same thing. We have a tremendously dirty wheel, tire. Everything about it needs to be clean. Now, these wheels are not perfect, so they're never going to look perfect, but they will look clean. So I am looking forward to using this wheel cleaner. I've never used Super Clean wheel cleaner before, but I will tell you I have used Super Clean on wheels and tires before, and it does an amazing job. So I have high hopes for this. Now, you can tell that this tire and this wheel have both a lot of grime on it. Now, I am gonna follow all the directions, which say basically clean one wheel at a time. I need to rinse this with cool water. Obviously, you don't want to do this if your wheels, tires are hot because it dries it, basically flash dries it, doesn't give it time to actually get in there and dissolve any grease and grime. Coat the wheel surface from about 6 inches away. We'll do the best that we can on 6 inches. You know, all depends on who you ask how long 6 inches is. Allow the foaming action to work for about 30 seconds. Then if it's really bad, we can agitate, which I consider these not really bad, but they're bad enough that we will agitate. And then we can rinse the wheel and let it dry. Best thing to do, let's get started. Step 1. Now that we've rinsed the wheel off with just some water from the hose, let's spray this on and see how it goes. I think I have thoroughly coated it with Super Clean. Now what I do is wait about 30 seconds, and then I'm gonna take a brush, like this one, and agitate it. And of course, as always, everything we use in this video will be listed in the description below. You can click and buy it instantly off of Amazon. So now that I've wasted about 30 seconds, I might as well start agitating the tire and the wheel. She's been agitated, it's time to rinse her off. Okay guys, so I'm smiling just a little bit, and that's because I am really impressed with how easy this is. Usually I get out here with a bucket of soapy water and I'm actually scrubbing this. Now I used the brush as an agitator, but really Super Clean did all the work on this. I am going to show you up close on the wheel so that you can see how clean the wheel actually is. Also a few spots on the inside here where I cleaned, and then a few spots where I didn't, so that you could actually see the difference and the dirt grime that it took off that easily. So let's just take a look at this wheel. Okay, so here's the actual wheel, and you can see, now it's got pitting in it, but that's no fault to anyone but whoever had these before I bought them, but they are used. But you can see that the whole wheel itself, it almost has a brand new look to it, nice little sheen. It even got inside here to where we can see now there's some wear. But what I wanted to show you is this. All right guys, so you can see the dirty side where I did not put any Super Clean or agitate it, and then the clean side where I did use Super Clean and agitate it. It's night and day. It's amazing how it took all that wheel grease off, it took all the brake dust off, it made it, and look, I only did this for a few seconds. If I actually took the wheel off and did this all around in there, it would be like brand new. Also guys, don't forget, these are 20-year-old wheels. That's a big difference. Well guys, I have to say, Super Clean Wheel Cleaner did an amazing job on the G-Wagon. Now those are 20-something-year-old wheels, probably able to go into a bar and get a beer. And this cut all the dust, dirt, grime, grease, brake dust, everything off of it so easily. I spent about 5 minutes per wheel, which is nothing. So if you want to be able to clean some wheels very quickly, I do highly recommend this. Like I've been telling you guys all along, Super Clean is such a great product that I use it for just about everything. Make sure that you look for the videos coming out soon. In fact, let's just take a look at the G-Wagon real quick so that you can see the beauty that she is. All right guys, don't forget to share this video, leave me a comment below, and you'll be eligible to get some free Super Clean products. As always, like, share, subscribe. We'll catch you next time. Also, Super Clean, I need some new shirts. These are awesome. I use it all the time, but it's 100 degrees here in the South, and I go through them pretty quickly. Anyway, love you guys. Later.